I was watching YouTube about this government shutdown, and I could feel my metacognitive mode slowly being destroyed. So I pressed the stop button and decided to record my own video. All right, so here I am back in what's left of my metacognitive mode. So I'm on a roll with teaching metacognition to Japanese, and there's two very big factors contributing to that motivation. I'm going to the study sessions with the Japan Educational Psychology Program in Tokyo, where we're studying that psychological assessment being given in public schools to the students, and I'm working with a high school principal who's extremely interested in what I learn in these study meetings. And at the moment, today I found myself struggling to explain metacognition to him. So as I'm headed home now, I brought it upon myself to think about how I could explain meta-motivation to him, metacognition, which, doesn't exist in Japanese society because of the Japanese cultural influence. And I came up with a lot of stuff, just as I was doing my 9-kilometer inspirational walk after work. A lot. I've got a really big jump on the rest of the world on how to explain metacognition to the Japanese. All right, and this is Navy veteran Chuck, having fun teaching metacognition in the countryside of Nagoya, Japan. チャックの英会話の目的は Do the real thing、 つまり実際に英語を使って会話をすることです。生徒さんの好きなトピックを題材にして生徒さんのニーズに合わせた学習方法で英会話ができるように指導していきます。同時に思考力も鍛えていきます。僕と一緒に勉強しませんか？いつも待ってるぞ。やや。